Do you know how to set a password to Microsoft Word files? Watch and find out. Set a password to protect a Word file. Open the Word file you want to protect. On the File menu, select Info. Click Protect Document. Choose Encrypt with Password. In the Encrypt Document dialog box, input a password in the password box and click OK. In the Confirm Password dialog box, enter the previous password again and click OK. At last, save the password and the MS Word file. Reset the password of an encrypted MS Word document. Open the Word file and enter the password. In the File menu, click Save As, and on the bottom of the Save As dialog box, click Tools. On the Tools menu, click General Options. The General Options dialog opens. Under File Sharing Options for this document, in the Password to Modify box, type a password. In the Confirm Password dialog, retype the password. Click OK. Click Save. Remove known password in Word documents. Enter the password to open the document. Note: if you forgot or lost your Word password, you have to recover Word password using the MS Word Password Recovery tool. In the File menu button, point to Info, and then click Protect Document. Select Encrypt Document. In the Encrypt Document dialog box and in the Password box, delete the encrypted password, then click OK. Save the file. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.